Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I'm a content creator. Today I'm going to make a video on advanced structure like should be plus verb ing, like action is going on. Okay, so yesterday I made two video like should we, after that should have. Okay, I hope you understood those video. So in this video I'm going to share you this kind of structure so that you can understand my every single point. Okay, and I hope you are watching my video. And I'm having a drama, just having a drama. Okay, I feel like I feel like having this kind of drama. Okay, so I assume that I am in the room and my mom is still sleeping and I am kind of angry. Okay, so let's see and have a drama. Mom, what are you doing? You are still sleeping. You should be cooking right now. You should be cooking right now. You know, I am kind of hungry. I am starving and my stomach is rumbling a lot. I haven't eaten since morning. Okay, so what are you doing? So please get up and make some food for me. Okay, so my mom talking about that. Okay dear, don't worry, I'm getting up and I will make some food. Please take some minutes. Okay, so meanwhile I need to go outside and what is happening outside. And I went out and I'm seeing that there is a boy who is Rahul. Rahul is playing with their friends. So Rahul, what is going on? What are you doing right now? You should be going to school. Okay, but you are still playing with your friends. It is not right. At first you go to home and get ready and start going to school. Your mom has been finding you since morning. Okay, have you got my point, what I'm trying to say? So that is how you can use this kind of structure. After that I went to my home and the food is done, or you can say the food has been done from by my mom. Okay, and I'm going to have this food and I have taken my breakfast. Okay, mom, who is that in this room? Like Papa? Yes, Papa is watching movie. Papa is still watching movie. He doesn't go to office. My mom answered me that your father didn't go to office because your father is live on today. Oh, thank you. It sounds beautiful. Papa should take rest and he should be sleeping right now. Okay, so that is how you can use this kind of structure. At first you have to take any subject. After that should be plus verb ing. After that any word, the rest of the sentence. You can say I should be walking at this moment. You can say he should be making this kind of video, or you can say he should be sleeping right now, or you can say he should be climbing up the tree and to pick the that mango, or you can say he should be swimming in this pond, or you can say I should be calling that girl. Okay, so that is how we can create this kind of fake story so that you can understand. Okay, I hope you are having a lot of fun from this video, and I hope every single day I will make this kind of video so that you can understand little by little, or you can say gradually. So till then, take care, keep practicing, have fun, and assalamu alaikum.